My top 3 favorite qualities that it takes to win as a real estate agent. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes with Homestead & Co. And I want to chat with you today about our version of the top 3 things you need to have, or qualities that somebody needs to have if they want to win as a real estate agent. The first one is an ownership mentality. That means that if something didn't go wrong, it's not somebody else's mistake. It's not somebody else's reason. You're not playing the victim. It's not, oh, I couldn't get this to work, or it's somebody else's fault and blaming somebody else. It's taking ownership. If it didn't work out, hey, that's because I didn't do enough. I didn't plan ahead. I didn't take care of what I needed to take care of today to get what we needed to get done. And so all of the successful real estate agents we know, and even successful people in general, entrepreneurs, high-level executives, they will all have this ownership mentality where they're never gonna blame anybody else. If anything doesn't go right, it's their fault. They're gonna do a better job next time they go around. The second quality we believe leads to a highly successful real estate agent is the ability to take chances. So many of us are so afraid to fail that we don't take the step if there's a chance that we may fail or may look bad. And yet most of the times we fail every day, multiple times a day. And yet nobody counts or looks at how many times you failed. They look at how many times you win. I want you to do something for me. I want you to think about so that's been super successful. And how do you value their success? Is it by their the size of their business, or it could be their bank account, it could be their respect among people. But how many losses do you look at to define their success? Typically you don't. You wouldn't even know how many losses or failures they have. All you look at is their successes. And so guys, when you're trying to succeed, or you're attempting to succeed at something, remember that you're only judged by your successes, not so much by your failures. That's only how we judge ourselves. So let that go. You gotta be willing to take that chance and take that risk. The third, or probably one of my favorite qualities that I think leads to a great successful real estate agent, is the ability to problem solve. I've been through thousands of transactions, and I don't think any of them have been exactly the same. There's always something new to figure out. There's always a new problem to solve. It takes somebody that's creative and willing to look at a problem and find a solution and present those to all parties to work towards getting that transaction done. So if you like something that's a little different every day and you love problem solving, then this could be a really great industry for you. Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co., and thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.